What's up, everybody? I'm Cody with Green River Sawyers, and today we are cutting some white oak. We've had a customer that's been very, very patient. We had a problem getting our hands on some 16-foot white oak. We could get pine and 16-foot, we could get white oak and 10-foot, but we had a problem getting white oak and 16-foot. But a couple videos ago, you saw us going over the hill over here and getting some trees that they had pushed over, and we was able to get those and bring them back to the mill, and we thought we'd get this customer took care of today. By the way, I do have the same sweatshirt on that I'm always in these videos. My wife was watching our videos the other night. She said, "You have the same shirt on in every video." So that being said, I have a uniform for work that I wear every day. You know, I have 10 pair of pants and 10 shirts that I wear every day to my job. But on Saturday, I wear a uniform here too. And this is my uniform shirt. So I wear this once a week. And my wife noticed that, so I figured I'd throw that out there.
Yeah, and I wear, if you see me wearing all the time, wearing a Carhartt short sleeve shirt, I have more than one of those, okay? I'm very picky with what I wear. Once I find something I like, I buy multiple of that and keep wearing them. Our wives do wash our clothes, I promise.
And this shirt that I'm wearing is Kime Lumber Company. My parents go to Amish country in Ohio, and I'm pretty sure it's a big, like a oversized Lowe's. It's a pretty cool store, so if you're ever in Ohio, I think it's Holmes County. They go up there, gosh, 4 times a year. So, and every time they go up there, they bring me a couple sweatshirts back. So I have a bunch of these Kime sweatshirts, but we're not endorsing them. We don't want you to buy their lumber. We want you to buy our lumber. But just saying, they do have good sweatshirts. We don't sell sweatshirts yet, but we will. We're working on our logo, and we're working with a guy out of Ellenboro, North Carolina. He's working on the logo, so hopefully we'll have hats and sweatshirts. So we got our kit set up. Now it's pretty much easy. We set the simple set. We're gonna let it roll. Okay, we're gonna end this video right here. That one log, like I said a while ago, it made us 12 2x8s, by 16s, and a few grade stakes. And we got about 4 more 2x10s to get out of this next log. It shouldn't take too long, and we're going to, after that, switch over to 1x8s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the little bell, and it really does help, and we sure do thank y'all for watching.
Oh, and a side note here. I do normally try to get out a video every Wednesday and every Sunday. That's what we try to do. Sometimes it don't work out, mainly because we just get busy here at the mill or busy with our personal lives. If we don't get one out every Wednesday and Sunday, I do apologize. So if nothing else fails, we'll see you Sunday.